Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Activity tab. This is how you can view all of your students' results in one place. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. Click the name of the class you'd like to view the results for. Right below your class's title, click the Activity tab. The Activity tab shows you a list of all of the students that are in your class. You'll see when they were last active on the site, and you'll see how much time they spent on their most recent lesson. To the right, you can use the emojis provided to act as a reminder or a signifier for your students. Click on a student's name to see the sheet of all of the lessons they have been assigned. You'll see the score for their first attempt and their best attempt. You'll see how much time they spent on the task, and you'll see the status. It'll either say not started, started, completed, or in this case, needs grading. Click on the lesson to view the results. On this sheet, you'll see the lesson organized by tasks. You can click into any task that has results to view what your student has done. You can also leave a comment, and then click Save at the bottom. To exit out of the sheet, you can click X, or you can click right outside of it. If there are any tasks that need grading, you can click into one and change the score by using the slider or the star tools. You can also leave a comment or record audio feedback for your students by clicking this button. To go back, again, you can click the X in the top right corner, or you can click outside of the sheet. You can choose to browse the lessons and results for the student you selected, or you can click X in the top right to choose another student. That's it for this video on how to use the Activity tab. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.